Dragon Ball is considered an absolute classic in the anime world, and for a good reason. It has given us countless memorable characters, fights, and storylines. For any die-hard fan of the series, owning cool merch is essential, and Amazon has a great deal of the kinds of gadgets you should be looking to buy. From action figure collections to real-life replicas of the Dragon Balls themselves, we have it all. It's about time you replace your dull, old regular lamps with the lights we're about to impress you with next. Let's begin. Number 10. Goku Nightlight. Illuminate your workstation with this stunning USB-powered nightlight that'll add a unique touch to your desk. You can use a computer, laptop, mobile phone, or pretty much any device with a USB port to power this 3D Super Saiyan acrylic LED light. It's energy efficient and consumes only 0.012 kilowatt hours per 24 hours, with a total lifespan of 10,000 hours. The touch ball enables you to choose from 7 different colors: red, green, yellow, purple, white celadon, adjustable solid color, or colorful gradients. 9 long life LEDs power the 3D illusion light, which rarely heats up and uses minimal energy. Besides being the perfect gadget to have around your work desk or your bedroom, it's also the ideal nightlight for children. So if you have any young ones who are fans of Dragon Ball, you should consider getting this nightlight to make their day. Number 9. Kamehameha LED Explosion Scene Action Figure. If you're an action figure enthusiast, this gadget would undoubtedly interest you. Torankusu brings the Dragon Ball Z model toy ideal for anyone aged 5 or above. It's a DIY figurine, 5.9 inches in length, and constructed using PVC. The package comes in a safety box, so you don't have to worry about your product breaking midway through the delivery. The delivery time is usually 14 to 28 days, but the company ensures that they provide you a discount if there's any delay. This action figure will be an incredible addition to your collection and complement the Goku Nightlight beautifully. Make sure you don't miss out. Number 8. Goku vs. Vegeta Lampara Light. LISHEC brings you a magical nightlight that you can use as a home culture, and one that would make the perfect gift for Christmas. If you're tired of regular bulbs, this is the way to go. It's a dimmable light bulb with a fire-resistant base, a light tripod with a bright fireboard, a model, and a table lamp. You'd find this bulb to be highly suitable for living room, bedroom, study, cafe, or anywhere else you'd want. It doesn't just look stylish, but also functions better than your average bulb. It has a constant current with a gentle eye protection LED, 360-degree lighting, and a low temperature. You'd be saving more power than usual with this LED nightlight. Number 7. Bulma Action Figure. Dragon Ball isn't quite complete without Bulma, one of the most popular female characters in the anime world. Tamashii Nations brings you a cool Bulma action figure, sculpted to resemble the famous scene of her standing on a dusty plain from the ending credits of the show. It's not your typical figurine, because Bulma is fully posable too. The set includes 3 optional left hands, 4 optional right hands, 2 optional face parts, a 5-star Dragon Ball, a machine gun, and a dragon radar. So you wouldn't be making any wrong decisions investing your money in this. The product is 2 by 2 by 5.3 inches in dimensions and measures up to 2.2 pounds. It's also safe for anyone aged 12 or older. If you're a fan of action figures in general, or think Bulma is a character worth remembering, this figurine is a must-have. Number 6. Shenron Action Figure. Another must-have for all the anime action figure collectors out there. Everyone loves Shenron, the magical green dragon from one of our favorite mangas of all time. You can now complete your collection of beloved Dragon Ball characters with this Shenron action figure by Royal Kiss Feel. The quality is excellent, with a transparent bracket and plastic base, ensuring protection from damage. It's no secret Dragon Balls will bring you good luck, so you need to get your hands on the legendary Dragon figurine immediately. It's a striking decoration for your office, living room, or children's room. It's also a unique and creative business, birthday, or holiday gift. Number 5. Piccolo Power-Up LED Light Lamp. So Shenron isn't the only iconic green-colored character to come out of Dragon Ball, and one cannot overlook Piccolo either. Kakalin brings you a super cool Piccolo Power-Up LED light that functions as a lamp and an action figure. This gadget is made up of PVC and is 6.3 inches in size. It's ideal for anyone age 6 or over. So not only is this lamp a stunning addition to your living room, but it's also a fantastic toy your young ones can use to play. There's no reason for you not to get this LED lamp. However, if you make your purchase and later decide you don't like it, which likely won't happen, there's a 30-day right of return available too. That speaks volumes for the product itself. So why else are you waiting? Number 4. 25cm Dragon Ball Super Movie. If you're a fan of action figures and you're looking for the ultimate go-to purchase to make, look no further. GF has a complete set of TAG fighters available with which you can decorate your Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and birthday parties. They're compact, light, and small-sized with a color that is not easy to fade. The material used is bright new high-quality PVC with remarkable attention to color and details. The action figures have a classic cartoon image, with a 360-degree perfect shape and no dead ends. You'd end up marveling at the work itself. This set is also the best gift for teenagers and anime lovers. So if you have friends who are into that, make sure to impress them. However, do note that you're not supposed to wash or bleach this product, as it's also unsuitable for children under 3 years of age. Other than that, there's no question you'd be satisfied with your decision. Number 3. Cloud Action Figure Toy Set. Goku is lovable enough in his regular form, but when he transforms into Super Saiyan, that's when the fun takes a whole new level. Dragon Ball has given us numerous iconic fights and scenes resulting when Goku transforms, so this toy set is a must-have for any die-hard fan of the series. Torn Kuso has made the Dragon Ball LED light figure with a cloud using PVC with fine details. It's around 7.9 inches in size, and the package arrives in a safety box, ensuring that the product remains intact during delivery. The manufacturer recommends it for anyone aged 5 years or older. The delivery usually takes 14 to 28 days, and in case of further delay, you'd get a discount. It looks terrific resting on your sideboard or study desk, and you're sure to impress any guests that come over with this gadget. Number 2. Goku Spirit Bomb Plasma Light. You can now wield control over the Eternal Dragon anywhere you go with a Goku Spirit Bomb Plasma Lamp. Rabbit Tanaka presents this unique product that'd have any Dragon Ball fan salivating. It measures up to 7.5 by 8.75 by 14.5 inches in dimensions, with 3.39 pounds of weight. Resin and glass construct the gadget, so you count on the product not looking cheap by any means. Are you bored of regular flashlights? You can now use this plasma light in dark places to show you the way. Not only that, but the lamp is also fit for general purposes, including decoration, gifts, or anime merch collection. However, the light requires no batteries. The plasma ball itself stands out, so we're pretty sure your friends would be impressed to see this in your living room. Number 1. 7 pieces crystal glass balls. If you've ever dreamt of summoning Shenron itself to grant your deepest desires, these crystal glass balls are as close to the real thing as you can get. The iconic 7 pieces of Dragon Balls were what the writers based the entire series on, so owning these true-to-life models is a must for any show fan. The balls weigh 6.09 pounds with a diameter of 3 inches. They're the perfect size to complete your cosplay or display in your living room as a geeky conversation starter. Each purpose includes 7 extraordinary Dragon Ball replicas, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a collective display box. They have a silky smooth surface with a distinct star design. Durable crack-resistant acrylic materials make up the balls, so you can be sure they're going to last you a while. There's no way you can go wrong with a purchase like that. Alright, let us know in the comments which of these Dragon Ball gadgets you want the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.